So students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, present on page number 47. The name of this chapter is Fun with Talk Spent. Fun with Talk Spent. So in this chapter we are going to learn what is talk spent, how can I use various talk spent tools to draw on a computer. Okay. So in this chapter, we are going to learn what is talk spent and how can I use various talk spent tools to draw on a computer. So let's start. Draw the following shapes and color them. Students, it's your task. You have to draw the same picture here. Okay. You have to draw a balloon here and color it red. And again, you have to draw a smiley face here and color it yellow. Paper, pencil, crayons, etc. are used to make drawings in real life. Similarly, as TalkSpaint helps us make drawings on the computer. Let us see how. Similar to drawing on a notebook, we can use a computer to draw and color pictures. In this chapter, we will learn how to use TalkSpaint for creating drawing on a computer. So basically, students, TalkSpaint is a software which is used for drawing and coloring. So by using TalkSpaint, we can draw and color a picture on computer. Okay. So what is TalkSpaint? Page number 48. Open page number 48. What is TalkSpaint? TalkSpaint is a free drawing program on the computer, specially made for children. It is easy to use and used in schools around the world. It also has fun sound effects. So what is TalkSpaint? TalkSpaint is a free drawing program on a computer specially made for children. Okay, TalkSpaint is particularly made for children's. It is easy to use and used in school all around the world. So it is widely used in various schools. Now we are going to learn how to open TalkSpaint. So how to open TalkSpaint? The steps to open TalkSpaint on a computer are given below. So these are the steps to open TalkSpaint. First step, click on the start button of the bottom left of the screen. Select the TalkSpaint folder. Click on the TalkSpaint windowed option. Alternatively, double click on the TalkSpaint icon present on the desktop of the computer. So let's go with first method. We will do it practically. Click on the start button. Here is the start button. You have to click it. Then we have to click on all programs. Now we have to search for TalkSpaint. Here, TalkSpaint, TalkSpaint windowed. Now we can clearly see that the software is opening. We will wait for some seconds. So now, as we can see, the TalkSpaint interface appears in front of us. Now we'll go with the second method. That is, double click on the TalkSpaint icon present on the desktop of the computer. This one is called desktop. We have to find where is TalkSpaint. This one is the TalkSpaint icon. We have to double click it. So same thing repeats here also. So there are two ways to open a TalkSpace software on our PC, personal computer. Okay. Now, students, open page number 49. Once TalkSpace is launched, we first see welcome screen. Then we see we see the home screen of the TalkSpace program, as we have already seen that. Okay, this type of interface appeared in front of us, isn't it? Open page number 50. Parts of the TalkSpace window. The home screen of the TalkSpace is divided into 5 parts as shown in figure 5.4. Okay, on page number 50, this figure is called figure 5.4. So I am going to show you practically. Let's start. Keep your eye on your mobile screen as well as your book. Okay, so we are opening our TalkSpace software. So first, toolbar. This one, this position is known as toolbar. Toolbar means in this portion, in this place, all the tools, all the required tools are available here. Okay. Next, colors. This patch is known as colors tool. Okay. So in color tool, there are various colors from where we can choose from. 3, selector. This portion. Okay. This portion, brushes related patch, is known as selector. It shows various options related to the tool selected in the toolbar. For example, for the pen tool, the selector shows various brushes. If we select paint, then various brushes appear here. If we select stamp, then various stamp appears here. If we select lines, then various type of lines related things appeared here. If we select ABC, then various type of text style appears here. Okay, so these two things are related to each other. Okay, these two things are related to each other. So again, fourth one is drawing canvas. Drawing canvas is like the sheet of paper on which you are going to draw. So basically, this is the place where we can draw something. Okay, this is the place where we can draw something. This in this way we can draw something here. So this is known as the drawing canvas. This is known as drawing canvas. Now, help area. This place is known as help area. It shows suggestions related to the selected tool. If we are going to select a tool, then this type of suggestions appear here. For example, if I select on shapes, here a suggestion we can see a suggestion that is appeared here. Pick a shape, click on start drawing area, and then go which is size you want. Move around to rotate it. This type of suggestions appear here. Okay. Now toolbar. Let us learn and understand some of the tools available in TalkSpaint toolbar. Okay. Paint. Paint. The paint tool is used to make freehand drawing. We can select any brush from selector and color from colors to make our drawing. So this paint tool, okay, by clicking on the paint tool, we can also select the color and the brush size. Then we can draw anything here. Okay. It's a way of free drawing, freehand drawing. We can draw freehandly here. Okay. Next, stamp. Stamp is a fun option. Let us click on stamp. So stamp is a fun option. Which stamp? Which stamps? The image of TalkSpaint is our drawing. For selecting a stamp, follow the steps given below. Click on the stamp tool as I have already done. Click on the stamp tool. Select a stamp from the available stamps on the right. Okay. We can select the stamps and stamp size here. Then we can put various stamps here. Okay. Click on the drawing area where the stamp need to appear. We have to then just click on the stamp area. We can also change the size of the stamp also. Okay. Now students, we will go to page number 52. We will go to page number 52. In page number 52, the lines tool is there. Okay. We are going to learn our lines tool in page number 52. Let's see. The lines tool lets us draw straight lines. Okay. The line tools help us to draw straight lines. When we select this tool, the selector shows us various options of brushes to choose from. For drawing a line, follow the steps given below. Click on the line tool, select a brush from the available brush on the right, click and hold the mouse button and drag it to the length you want. Release the mouse button when you are done. So let's do it practically. Open the TalkSpaint. Click on the lines tool, select the type of line that you want to draw on the screen. For example, I am wanting to put this type of line here. Then I have to click the left mouse here, then put it there. Okay, you can also change the color. Okay, understood? So by doing like this, you can use different types of lines. Okay, you can just choose it from here. Then drag and drop the mouse button. Is not it very funny, students?